In the second half of the 18th century, the Rășinari Orthodox bishop's residence was built, the first one of its kind in Transylvania. Today the pastoral traditions of the village are incorporated in the new modern rhythm of life. From 1947, Rășinari was linked to Sibiu by an electric tram line which crossed Dumbrava Forest, but service became sporadic in the late 2000s and ceased entirely on February 28, 2011. Very limited operation that took place later, mainly only for visiting tourist groups, ended in 2012, followed in 2013 by the start of work to dismantle the line. It is hoped to reopen a portion as a heritage tramway. The trams in use since the mid-1990s were formerly used in Geneva and retained their French language signs. In 2013, they were sold to Rășinari for a low price and moved to the Rășinari end of the tram line, just before work to remove the tracks and overhead trolley wires began. Officials in Rășinari are attempting to obtain funding to build a small depot, car house, and to reopen a portion of the line as a tourist attraction. Transylvania is known for the scenery of its Carpathian landscape and its rich history, coupled with its multicultural character. It also contains Romania's second largest city, Cluj-Napoca, and other very well-preserved medieval iconic cities and towns such as Brașov, Sibiu, Târgu Mureș, Alba Iulia, Mediaș, and Sighișoara. It is also the home of some of Romania's UNESCO World Heritage Sites such as the villages with fortified churches, the Historic Centre of Sighișoara, the Dacian Fortresses of the Orăștie Mountains and the Roșia Montană mining cultural landscape.